Good morning, good day, good night to Star Wars fans all over the world. Let's watch DVC review only in Beno Arsanto's channel.
Hey guys, back with me Beno in my channel, and today I would like to show you the newest release of DVC, and you can see all of this in all of my segment only in Beno Arsanto channel. One, two, three, four, five, six figures of DVC. Today we would like to show you how we open them, and we will review one by one, except of course this one, hasil. We already reviewed them in my previous video, so you maybe check it back later. So we will exclude this hasil. This times he come from in a single pack, single carded figure, while on the back of the figure we will see the previous release of Fennec Sans, Ahsoka Tano, that all of them already reviewed in my channel, and we will review all of them in this one wave because the back of the card is same for each of them, so the differences is only on the art box. The same DVC, still the same way they package the boxes. Now we are coming in the uncivilized way of opening this DVC, like there is no respect from them for them, and this is my way. I don't collect any boxes, so they are meant to be played. And not today. This is Mandalorian Death Watch Airborne Trooper from Clone Wars. It's different from the previous Mandalorian Death Watch that appeared on the Mandalorian series and the previous figure. This is a new debut of Figrin band, the Cantina band, the fully articulated DVC way, and finally I think the most wanted of this wave is Djarin without his mask. Djarin in murah, and you can make a regular soldier by putting the helmet on. This is the accessories of this wave, of course, except hasil. Well, now we are getting the same exact, but I think the color is quite different. The differences is only in the color. This one is darker than this one, if you can see. The two Mandalorian in the same era got the same blaster and pistols. For the Djarin, we will getting the put on helmet and a blaster pistol. For the 3-3 Ahsoka squad, we will getting the regular blaster and heavy blaster in here. And for the Figrin VC, we will getting a space flute. This is three different kinds of flute. I don't know. They just blow this thing up. They just blow this instrument in order to create a harmonization. I have another Figrin band with different space music, and they will become a good thing for me because I can create the band with the same figure. They are all looks alike. The material is very soft because I think all of this is made from the soft plastic kind of rubber, especially in the hand and on the feet of these figures. But for the joint, I think this is a solid plastic, a hard plastic, so it won't break easily, I think, and it can be firm because the soft rubber for a joint will make your figure cannot go in a straight line. I've already tried that way in making the joint part from bendable material, and it didn't go smoothly. It will not going straight in terms of the figure. Painting of figure is good because you will see there is no mispainting in this figure. They even add some of wash color in them, but the color of wash is printed, so if you look close enough, it will be a little bit made from the so many dots, especially in this wash here in Djarin. And the best part is he's getting new sculpts and for the head, and also photorealistic technology for the face. And the small theme is so good. Every emblem is printed correctly, even from the printed on the head, and there is a washing color in this Figrin band, and of course the Ahsoka symbol on the shoulder. Everything is very good. Let's see the articulation of this wave in Mandalorian, the Mando. We are getting the same treatment of the newest TVZ, the double barbell joint, the ball joint on the shoulder, but we cannot, we can put the arms up this far, and ball joint hand, ball joint wrist, only single joint in the chest, no swivel waist, G.I. Joe style ball joint in tight, on the tight, and swivel joint on the tight, ball joint on his, and sorry, this is not rocker ankle, this is a old style TVZ, not that perfect in this figure in terms of articulation. You can put on the mask, and for this Ahsoka soldier we are getting the old style ball joint, because I think this one made from the old, even the old molding, and even the tight is still the old ball joint, no rocker ankle. For the Figrin Djarin, his new figure with double barbell joint for the head. You have the articulation for the mouth to be put to insert the tube of this flute, ball joint in every hand, ball joint on the chest, no swivel waist, new G.I. Joe style ball joint. Oh, sorry, this is not new, this is the old one, still the ball joint, and no rocker ankle. This is the old style TVZ. What a shame, because he is actually new, and these two have the same articulation, the super perfect newest TVZ articulation. A chest, ball joint, and a waist swivel. Very new, because they have made from the same molding. Let's compare the old Figrin band with this newest TVZ era. In terms of color, they are quite different in their pants and shoes. The molding, the sculpt of the shoes is also different. This one has short shoes, this one has higher shoes. And in terms of articulation, of course this one a lot better, but this one have a soft goods shirt, so it will show the white shirt inside, while this one is sculpted figure. But overall this one is better. The TVZ of course better in terms of articulation. And I want you to see these 3 Mandalorian from one, also from this figure. This is the soldier, not the captain from the previous wave. So actually all of them all are the same molding, the exact same molding. Just the difference is on their head. Yeah, actually this one is a lazy move for Hasbro. I can imagine what's the next figure will be with this molding. This is I cannot compare because yeah, they all are Mandalorian, but yeah, still same molding. That's a lazy way for Hasbro. For the conclusion, this is a great wave to have because we have literally 3 Mandalorian and 1 debut figure of Figrin in TVZ, and we have Pedro Pascal head sculpt as well. And actually you can army building all of this wave, all of the people in this wave except Hesse of course, because if you put the Mandalorian head, the helmet on his head, you will get the regular figure. Yeah, I know this figure, this wave is so tempting in terms of army building. For the Mandalorian, we don't get 1, we don't get 2, but we get 3 figures consecutively in terms of the same molding, just different painting and different molding of the head. The rest body part of it is the same. What a lazy Hasbro. But still, this is a good wave to have. And thank you for watching. May the force be with you. This is Dway, and bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.